Because of the consistent turn of events and advancement of the thoughts of the digital money local area, the cutting-edge crypto market needs new specialized and reasonable arrangements that could further develop client cooperation with crypto. One of these ventures is the Universe organization, and its interior advanced coin atom adaptability is a fundamental component of any undertaking pointed towards supporting future application improvement. Universe will likely build its adaptability utilizing other different viable organizations associated through zones. These zones work in lined up with increment exchange throughput. Each zone has its register, understanding convention, and essential language. The POS strategy depends on a bunch of semi-confiding hubs for casting a ballot by blocks. However long in excess of a fourth of the democratic hubs tell the truth, the convention will work with next to no issues. Agreement hubs need to give a portion of Atom tokens as insurance. Any hub that observes that it is acting with vindictive expectation will be erased from the framework, and its atoms will be singed. Validators, running on cross-chain spans, are synchronized with the focal Universe center. Notwithstanding, they likewise send off a full hub on the inverse blockchain on the opposite side of the extension to affirm that the relating sum has been fixed. Unique tokens are obstructed in a situation with a few marks until the extension confirmation device opens them. Appropriately, it annihilates the tokens in the cross-chain. This approach permits clients to move advanced resources in various chains. Atom is a local digital currency used to pay exchange expenses at the Universe principal focus and partake in the agreement cycle. Universe Value Examination. Universe is a decentralized organization interfacing free blockchains to guarantee cooperation between them. The organization works on the Tendermint agreement calculation, and the designers position it as a web of blockchains. On August 18, Atom's cost expanded by 25% from $15 to $20 after the send-off of the DeFi firewall interface called emeris. Toward the finish of August, Universe engineers sent off a span to the Ethereum organization. Mix of CIF chain, a decentralized trade, DEX, on Universe organization, with a between blockchain correspondence, IBC, convention permitted to manage exchanges among Universe and Ethereum networks. Interestingly, Atom/USD halted the jump on September 14, withdrawing to the past all-time high help level of $32.50, with a few days of combination around the cost region. On September 16, the Universe cost made another push higher, laying out a new low top as bulls were not yet all set any further. Then again, the Atom coin has kept on ascending since August 23. It pushed through a few deterrents before at long last breaking out of a momentary union reach toward the start of September. The Atom project cryptographic money swapping scale hence passed the $40 mark, laying out another unsurpassed most extreme cost of $44.42 on September 20. Universe real cost. The real Universe value as of 14th of December is $21.37. Throughout the last day, the cost has expanded by 5.70%, and over the course of the week, it has fallen by 1%. Universe cost examination has shown that the computerized resources expense diminished by 12.5% in a month. Besides, its worth has expanded by 276% throughout the year. Besides, Atom has an ongoing flowing inventory of 226,226,028 coins. Universe Value Expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of Universe costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Universe will be $12.39. The most extreme level that the Atom cost can reach is $13.84. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $12.78. Atom value figure for September 2022. Crypto specialists have dissected Universe costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2022, $11.58. The most reduced and top Atom rates may be $11.20 and $12.29. October 2022, Universe value estimate. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the atom cost will be around $12.05. In October 2022, the universe cost might drop to at least $11.56. The normal pinnacle worth may be $12.87 in October 2022. Atom value conjecture for November 2022. Having broke down universe costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the atom rate could arrive at a limit of $13.35 in November 2022. It may, in any case, drop to $11.90. For November 2022, the determined normal of universe is almost $12.29. December 2022, universe value estimate. Around mid-2022, the universe cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $12.78. Crypto examiners expect that in December 2022, the atom cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $12.39 and $13.84. Universe value expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of universe in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of universe will be around $18.42. The greatest expected atom cost might be around $21.08. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $18.93 in 2023. Universe value expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of universe, in 2024, atom is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $26.03 and $32.11, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $26.98. Universe value forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have broke down the costs of universe and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base atom cost could drop to $38.62, while its most extreme can reach $45.87. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $39.97. Universe value forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of universe by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least atom costs are normal in 2026, $67.61 and $59.36. Overall, it will be exchanged at $60.96. Universe value expectation 2027. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the changes of universe. In light of